Did you know that the global colon cleansing market is projected to reach $7 billion by 2025? This booming industry reflects a growing fascination with detoxification. But does DIY colon cleansing truly live up to the hype? Let's delve into the world of DIY colon cleansing. Proponents claim it boosts energy, weight loss, and digestion. However, the medical community remains divided on its safety. Remember, understanding the facts is crucial for your health. The concept of colon cleansing is not new. It has historical roots in various cultures, with ancient civilizations practicing forms of colon cleansing for therapeutic purposes. However, the modern DIY colon cleansing trend is fueled by a surge in wellness awareness and the accessibility of information online. Today, countless websites, blogs, and social media influencers promote DIY colon cleansing methods, often with anecdotal evidence and bold claims. These methods typically involve using readily available ingredients like salt, lemon, herbs, and supplements to supposedly flush out toxins from the colon. The purported benefits of DIY colon cleansing often extend beyond physical well-being. Many advocates link it to mental clarity, improved mood, and even spiritual enlightenment. This holistic approach, combined with the allure of natural remedies, contributes to the widespread popularity of DIY colon cleansing. While the idea of a quick and easy cleanse may seem appealing, it's essential to be aware of the potential risks associated with DIY colon cleansing. One significant concern is the disruption of the gut microbiome, the delicate balance of bacteria in our intestines. Harsh cleansing methods can upset this balance, leading to digestive issues like diarrhea and cramping. Many claims surrounding DIY colon cleansing lack scientific backing. Our bodies have natural detoxification mechanisms, primarily the liver and kidneys. Despite the lack of scientific consensus on its effectiveness, DIY colon cleansing remains popular, with various methods readily available online and through word-of-mouth recommendations. These methods often involve dietary changes, supplements, or a combination of both. One common approach is the Master Cleanse or Lemonade diet, a liquid fast involving consuming only a mixture of lemon juice, maple syrup, cayenne pepper, and water for several days. Another popular method is the saltwater flush, which involves drinking a large amount of salt water to induce bowel movements. Other DIY colon cleansing enthusiasts advocate for incorporating specific foods into their diets, such as fiber-rich fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, or consuming probiotics found in yogurt and fermented foods. Additionally, various herbs and supplements like psyllium husk, bentonite clay, and cascara sagrada are marketed for their supposed colon cleansing properties. Section 5. Expert opinions and medical perspectives. The medical community's stance on DIY colon cleansing is generally cautious. Many doctors advise against DIY colon cleansing, emphasizing that our bodies are naturally equipped to eliminate waste. They argue that these methods are often unnecessary and may even be harmful. Instead, they recommend a balanced diet, hydration, and regular physical activity. Section 6. The truth about colon cleansing. Insights from science. Scientific research on the effectiveness of DIY colon cleansing is limited. Most studies have focused on colonoscopy preparation solutions or medically supervised colon hydrotherapy, which differs significantly from at-home methods. While some studies suggest that certain dietary fibers and probiotics can promote a healthy gut microbiome and improve bowel regularity, there is insufficient evidence to support the claims that DIY colon cleansing removes toxins or has significant health benefits. Moreover, research highlighting the potential risks associated with these methods, such as electrolyte imbalances, dehydration, and damage to the intestinal lining, is emerging. The lack of robust scientific evidence underscores the importance of approaching DIY colon cleansing with caution and consulting a healthcare professional before attempting any drastic changes to your diet or health regimen. Section 7. Making informed choices for your colon health. Navigating colon cleansing can feel overwhelming with the abundance of information available. Prioritize evidence-based information and consult healthcare professionals. Adopt sustainable lifestyle habits for overall well-being. This includes a balanced diet, hydration, stress management, and regular physical activity. Consult your doctor for persistent issues or DIY cleanses. Section 8. Share your experiences and explore more. Have you tried DIY colon cleansing? Share your experiences and thoughts in the comments below. Let's continue the conversation about colon health and explore other ways to support our well-being. Remember, knowledge is power, and making informed decisions is key to living a healthier and happier life.